Hi everyone, welcome to Airdrop Insider, your trusted source for the latest crypto opportunities. I'm Adam, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the Debank Airdrop Tokens, a chance to earn free tokens by being part of one of the most popular decentralized portfolio trackers in the crypto space. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to participate in the Debank Airdrop, the potential value of the tokens, and why this platform is gaining attention. Plus, if you have questions or need guidance, you can always contact me directly on Telegram. I'll help you with advice, updates, and support for this and other crypto projects. The link is in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Let's dive in. Debank is a leading platform for decentralized finance, DeFi, portfolio tracking and management. It allows users to monitor their crypto assets, manage DeFi investments, and interact with multiple blockchain networks, all from one intuitive dashboard. The Debank Airdrop Tokens are part of their initiative to reward users who actively engage with the platform, helping expand their community and increase adoption. Let's talk numbers. While the exact amount depends on the airdrop structure and token value, here's a rough idea. Estimated rewards participants could receive between $1,000 and $1 million worth of tokens, or a specific range of tokens. Potential value example: if Debank tokens launch at $1 per token and you receive 1,000 tokens, your total reward could be $1,000. Future growth: if the token value increases as the project scales, the potential profits could grow significantly. Token values are subject to market conditions. Always do your research and consider the risks involved. Here's how you can claim your Debank Airdrop tokens in just a few minutes. Visit the official Debank website and log in or create an account. Connect your wallet. Link your crypto wallet to the platform securely. Engage with the platform. Use Debank's portfolio tracking features, explore DeFi tools, and interact with their ecosystem. Stay updated. Follow Debank's social media channels and announcements to learn about eligibility and token distribution. Always ensure you're interacting with the official site and verified links to avoid scams. If you have questions about the Debank Airdrop or need help navigating the crypto world, I'm here for you. You can message me directly on Telegram for advice, updates, and support on this and other opportunities. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description below. Don't hesitate to connect. I'm always happy to assist. That's it for today's video. The Debank Airdrop tokens are a great opportunity to explore a top-tier DeFi platform and earn rewards while you're at it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Airdrop Insider for more updates, and hit the bell icon to stay informed about the latest airdrops and crypto news. Good luck with your airdrop journey, and remember, I'm just a message away if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.